Meme coins and low-priced altcoins have turned small investments into fortunes. Could 2025 be your chance to get in early? Meme coins like Dogecoin and Shiba Inu started as jokes but gained massive popularity due to social media hype, strong communities, and celebrity endorsements. While some view them as risky, others see them as opportunities for high returns. Similarly, low-priced altcoins offer strong use cases and real-world adoption, making them potential gems. In this video, we'll explore the top meme coins and promising low-cap altcoins for 2025, their potential for massive gains, and expert insights on what to watch for when investing in them. Must watch the video to the end to know how you can make profits in the market. I will tell you best coins to invest in to make profits. Let's discuss about the best top meme coins to watch in 2025. Meme coins started as jokes, but quickly turned into serious investments, making some people huge profits. Unlike traditional cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, meme coins rely heavily on community support, social media hype, and celebrity endorsements. While they can be risky, they also offer huge potential for growth. Here are 5 top meme coins to watch in 2025. 1. Dogecoin. The original meme coin. Dogecoin is the first and most well-known meme coin, originally created as a joke in 2013. It gained worldwide attention when billionaire Elon Musk started tweeting about it, calling it his favorite cryptocurrency. Because of this, Dogecoin's price skyrocketed, and it became widely accepted for online payments and tipping. Even though it started as a joke, Dogecoin now has a loyal community and strong backing, making it one of the safest meme coins to invest in. 2. Shiba Inu, more than just a meme. Shiba Inu was launched in 2020 as a Dogecoin killer, but it has grown into something much bigger. Unlike Dogecoin, Shiba Inu is building a full ecosystem, including a decentralized exchange, ShibaSwap, NFTs, and even a metaverse project. The team is also working on Shibarium, a blockchain designed to reduce transaction fees and improve scalability. With such developments, Shiba is no longer just a meme. It's becoming a serious competitor in the crypto world. 3. Floki Inu. The gaming and NFT meme coin. Floki Inu was inspired by Elon Musk's dog, Floki, and it quickly gained popularity. Unlike other meme coins, Floki Inu is focusing on gaming, NFTs, and the metaverse. The project is working on a play-to-earn game called Valhalla, where users can earn rewards by playing. Floki is also involved in charity projects and partnerships, increasing its credibility. With gaming and metaverse projects booming, Floki Inu could see massive growth in the coming years. 4. Pepe, the newcomer with strong community support. Pepe Coin is a newer meme coin inspired by the famous Pepe the Frog meme. Although it started as a fun project, its fast-growing community and increasing adoption have made it one of the most promising meme coins. Pepe has gained a lot of attention due to its low price and high potential for quick gains, making it attractive for investors looking for the next big meme coin. 5. Bonk, Solana's hottest meme coin. Bonk is a meme coin built on the Solana blockchain, offering fast and cheap transactions. It became popular after the Solana community embraced it, and now it's used in different DeFi projects and NFT platforms. Bonk stands out because it has real utility in the Solana ecosystem, unlike many other meme coins that only rely on hype. Let's discuss about the best top low-priced altcoins. For 2025, low-priced altcoins can be great investment opportunities because they have the potential for massive growth while still being affordable. These coins often have strong use cases and are gaining adoption in real-world industries. Here are 5 promising low-priced altcoins to watch in 2025. 1. VeChain, the supply chain. Blockchain VeChain is a blockchain designed to improve supply chain management. It helps businesses track products from manufacturing to delivery, ensuring authenticity, quality control, and transparency. Big companies like Walmart China, BMW, and Louis Vuitton have already partnered with VeChain to verify their supply chains. Because of its real-world use in industries like logistics, healthcare, and retail, VeChain has huge growth potential. 2. Hedera, fast, secure, and eco-friendly. Crypto Hedera is different from traditional blockchains because it uses a unique technology called hash graph, making it faster and more energy efficient than most cryptos. It is used by major companies like Google, IBM, and Boeing, making it one of the most trusted blockchains for business applications. Since Hedera is focused on security, low fees, and high-speed transactions, it could become one of the most widely used cryptos in the future. 3. Render. Powering decentralized GPU. Render is a token used to power decentralized GPU rendering, which is essential for industries like gaming, AI, and visual effects. Instead of relying on expensive hardware, Render allows users to rent GPU power from others using blockchain technology. With the growing demand for AI, metaverse, and 3D graphics, RNDR is well positioned for growth. Many Hollywood studios and animation companies have already started using Render's services. 4. Casper, a scalable blockchain for enterprises. Casper is a next-generation blockchain focused on scalability and security. Unlike many other blockchains, Casper is built for businesses and aims to help enterprises adopt blockchain technology without major risks. It offers fast transactions, upgradable smart contracts, and enterprise-grade security. As more companies look to integrate blockchain into their operations, Casper could see strong growth. 5. Immutable X, the future of gaming and NFTs. Immutable X is a Layer 2 blockchain built for gaming and NFTs. It allows zero gas fees and instant transactions, making it easier for game developers and NFT creators to build on Ethereum without high costs. Some of the biggest blockchain games, like Gods Unchained and Illuvium, are already using Immutable X. As gaming and NFTs continue to grow, IMX could become a major player in the industry. Why these coins could explode. Meme coins can skyrocket due to hype, strong communities, and celebrity endorsements, making them unpredictable yet potentially profitable. On the other hand, low-priced altcoins have real-world use cases, increasing adoption, and cutting-edge technology, making them strong, long-term investments. Both categories come with risks and rewards, so thorough research and smart investing are crucial before diving into these opportunities. Always invest wisely. Conclusion. Meme coins thrive on hype and community buzz, while low-cap altcoins offer real-world utility and long-term growth potential. Both can be profitable, but come with different risks. Which coin do you think will explode in 2025? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more expert crypto insights.